Hello, my name is Lee and welcome to another episode of Retro Cars Reborn. We're here again with the beautiful Mazda and we're going to be taking its rear suspension out. So let's jump right into it. So there it is, the rear suspension for the mx5. So all I've done so far is I've gave it a nice good rub down with a wire brush, all the bolts. I've given it a nice generous coating in WD-40, as you can see from all the dark damp areas. So firstly, the first bolt you're going to want to open is this big one at the bottom. Just got to bear in mind that it actually slides in behind here, so that actual bar that you can see on the inner side is the entire bar, so that becomes the only point where it becomes a struggle to get it out. So let's get it out. So there we go, people. Literally that bolt, that hard to take out, literally because of this build up of rust in the centre. One video could literally just be taking that bolt out. Next bolt you're going to want to take out is the upper wishbone bolt. Pretty straightforward, that one. There we go, one tiny ass bolt. Been pretty well protected, look, like brand new inside. So now you got those two bolts out. The whole hub assembly, as you can see, look, you can just wiggle it out and twist it, and then that is totally out of your way. Next thing you want to take off is these two bolts here, the top two wishbone bolts. So there you go, one upper wishbone and three upper wishbone bolts. As you can see, the three upper wishbone bolts are all the same length, so it doesn't matter where you put them back. Literally, they're all the same. Just bag them and tag them anyway, just to make sure. But yeah, they're all the same length, so it doesn't matter which three bolts go back in which three holes. So to get the hub assembly off, you're going to have to follow the drive shaft all the way to the rear diff, and you're going to have to undo these bolts here. These bolts here, you have to undo those. The only way I've found out to undo them is with an air gun, but if you don't take the brakes off first, you can just put the handbrake on and you'll be able to crack those off from underneath. So there we are, which has removed your 4 nuts and your 4 washers from the inside of your diff. You can remove the whole thing. And this is what you will have removed. Drive shaft and hub assembly complete. And they're really nice and clean. A little bit of info for you: if you've got a UK Mazda MX5, you will have an open diff. This, because it's an import, comes with an LSD, so it's got a limited slip diff as standard. So if you're after a cheap limited slip diff, literally just try and find one out of a imported roadster. Next 2 bolts to remove is going to be your shock absorber bolt and drop link. Nice and easy. So there you go. 1 shock absorber bolt and 1 anti-roll bar bolt, which now leaves you able to literally move Last two remaining bolts out, rear wishbone bolt, and the other one, it should just literally just flop down. So at the end of that, you should be left with one very crusty, rusty rear suspension arm, two camber bolts, your rear suspension bottom bolt, and your anti-roll bar bolt. So to get the rest of the shock absorber out, you got to go into the boot. So your boot open, and hopefully not as much of a mess as this one. Right down here in this bottom corner, two bolts just like the front ones, nice bit of lube on them, nice bit of wire brush in there, and it should come straight out. So once you've taken those two bolts out, then you'll be able to take your rear shock absorber out, and these are the rear shock absorbers in all of their glory. So when you've got it all out, this is your haul. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped some people out. Please leave comments, subscribe if you wish. If you want to see more content, definitely subscribe. Give us a like, and in the next one we'll be looking at what we're going to be doing with all these suspension components. We're going to restore and make them look nice and pretty. Polybush it, and that'll be the next one. Till then, bye bye.